Today I filmed 2 cooking videos. Let me show you what I made. Yeah, this is omelette. It doesn't look good, but it didn't stick to the pan. I'm happy with that. And this is beef gochujang stir fry. It goes with the rice like that. I just mix it. It's already good. So this is the mess I made. This was the first omelette. I wanted to make omelette, but it became like that. Too bad. And I used 1 pound of ground beef. I'm so hungry. It's like, what time is it now? It's almost 3 p.m. So I'm going to eat first and clean it up the kitchen a little bit. Okay, let's eat. Eat first. This rice here, and I'm gonna put the omelette on top. So I'm not gonna waste the food. Oh, so hungry. Yeah, this morning I had Greek yogurt and a banana for breakfast. That's pretty good. I used to skip breakfast or eat something heavy like rice. The problem was, after eating heavy breakfast, I was so sleepy and tired right away. Since I changed to just Greek yogurt and a little fruits, yeah, I feel much lighter and yeah, I don't feel hungry much. So it was a good change. I made this omelette with butter. This is good. My plan after this is I'm going to clean up the kitchen a little bit and vacuum the kitchen and living room. And I'm gonna film another Costco shopping haul video. Yeah, I went to Costco yesterday. Yesterday I wasn't feeling really good because I didn't sleep well. Yeah, I have really bad habit. I put my phone next to me while I'm sleeping, and then every time I wake up for bathroom, I watch the phone and stay up for like 30 minutes to 1 hour and go back to sleep again. I used to put my phone outside and it was working pretty good, but I started it again. From tonight, I'm gonna leave my phone outside again. I wanna sleep well. I mean, when you wake up, if you had a good sleep, the quality of day is completely different. So much energetic and like I can do everything. You know, I have this energy. If I have bad sleep since the morning to the night, I'm like half zombie. I need to fix my sleep. Today is Thanksgiving, so I'm thinking to have Korean fried chicken for dinner. It's so good. My regular days off is Tuesdays and Wednesdays, and Thanksgiving is Thursday, so I have 3 days in a row. So I was planning to make like 20 videos, but end up I think I will make barely 10 videos. Every time I feel that like the world is not going as I wish. Yeah, I planned, but yesterday the bad sleep ruined the whole day, so I didn't make any video yesterday. That's why I couldn't follow my plans. At least today I feel really good, so I'm making this video as well. So yeah, I'm happy with this. Maybe it doesn't look really good, but so good. This gochujang beef recipe is gonna upload on a short video. I think I'm really good at cooking. I can't cut things like professional, but yeah, I can make the flavor. Oh, since I have my espresso machine, I actually drink a lot of coffee and less water. That's really bad, right? Maybe that's why sometimes while I'm sleeping, my legs, especially calves, feel like tightened and almost cramp. Is it cramp or cramp? Now I'm trying to drink more water instead. I still drink like 4 shots of espresso a day, but at least I'm going to try to drink more water. So make it balance. I bought 2 pounds of green onion from Costco. I was gonna make pakimchi today, but after I cooked omelette and this beef gochujang thing, I don't feel like cook anymore. Maybe I'm gonna make it tomorrow before I go to work. Okay, I'm done eating. I'm going to clean up the kitchen a little bit, make a coffee, and film a little more videos, and start to edit. I'm having very productive day on Thanksgiving. I love this feeling. I'm proud of myself. I will see you in next video.